Hi, this is the Cool Geek, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP across multiple sheets. Now in the real life scenario, we are not fortunate enough to have all the data in one table, and then we need to extract it from multiple sheets to see the whole picture of the data, right? So in this example, I have full name, hire date, salary, bonus, department ID, sick days, performance score. Right now there are two other sheets where we have information to make this employee table complete. So there is department. There are around 9 departments and I have the department IDs with me, so I'll extract the department names here, right? And I also need the overtime details. Now all of the employees do not have overtime amount, so the overtime details are present within this sheet. As you can see, I have around 62 employees who have overtime amount, and in this table I have around 98 employees, right? So there are 62 of them that have overtime details, which is why it is placed in a different sheet, and obviously it comes by calculation from a different department altogether. So let's go ahead and extract first the department. Okay, so you're going to say VLOOKUP. Lookup value is going to be F5, that is the department ID, comma. The table array is going to be from the next sheet. So I'm going to say department. Okay, now I will select A and B together. The reason I do this is if there are new departments added within this table, you'll take care of it automatically rather than coming back here and trying to change the table array and extend it, right? So it's good practice to keep it for all of them together so that you don't have to come back and do a rework. So I'll fix it. Okay, comma. Obviously it is going to be the second column that I want, right? So it's going to be 2. There are only 2 columns here, that's why it's going to be just 2, right? So that's the 2 comma exact match. Okay, so now as you can see, I have extracted this department. I'm just going to copy this below, and we are able to get all the information that we require for our department, right? Now this is the first step of how to extract the department. The next step is to extract the overtime details. Much like how we did the departments, we're going to do overtime, but the only catch in the overtime is that not all of the employees have overtime details, right? So it's going to be some of the employees that have the overtime details. We have to handle the ones that do not have this. Okay, so I'm going to say is equal to VLOOKUP the full name this time, right? Comma, go to the overtime details, select the top A and B, ensure you have here an A and B column selected and not certain numbers like this A1 to B12, but rather A to B. Say F4 comma 2 because we have only 2 columns there, and exact match, right? Now once you do that, you'll extract a number, but sometimes the formatting gets lost when we do the VLOOKUP. So what you can do is give it a formatting before you copy it down, right? I got the overtime details, now I'm going to copy it down below. Now it's ugly to see the not availables because not all of them have the overtime details. So we're going to take care of that using the function called ifError. So ifError, comma. So I'm going to say probably a dash or 0. So I'm just going to say 0 here if there is no overtime details, right? So copy that below, and you will see that now it has neatly taken care of the overtime details that are missing for some of the employees here. Okay, so that's how you extract information from multiple sheets and get a good picture of how your data looks, right? It's an alternate version of doing SQL joins within Excel, and that's how we can do VLOOKUP across multiple sheets. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.